Hello friends, it's me again, Naseko Paps, and I'm back with another interesting video. Today I'm bringing you Oraimo dry vacuum cleaner. The last video that I did, it was about the Oraimo wet vacuum. If you have not watched that video, please go and watch that video before you come and watch the dry vacuum video so that you can get where we are coming from. And I'm going to show you how to use the dry vacuum if you have not bought one, or if you are interested. So please enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel, like and share. Thank you. So that's me nikiunganisha together so that I can start vacuuming my carpet. And I press the button, natoa battery, I clip the upper part. Naunganisha the battery. As you can see, your place in a capacitor ndio naingiza kwa the vacuum itself. Switch on with the button yenye iko hapo chini ya the handle ya mkono. Switch inatoa that sound. Haina kelele that much, it's not that noisy, and the roller on the downside starts rotating as inataka kuanza sasa kuvacuum the carpet. So guys, I can tell you that at this point my carpet was clean. Actually, I dirtified it for a purpose. For me to show you this video, so nilimwaga the cornflakes chini, niko already nisha vacuum the carpet, so my carpet was already clean. So don't say that my carpet is very dirty. Actually, it was clean. Nilimwaga the breadcrumbs and the cornflakes for the purpose of this video. So as you can see venye inazivuta and the sound, you see, ukisikia ikivuta unasikia hiyo kuna ka sound kengine inatoa, so you can really know whether kuna uchafu mingi sana chini ya the carpet due ya the sound that ina make, ama when it's clean. But you can also see for yourself that it's really cleaning very nice. And it's not that noisy actually. So kutoa unafinya the button, then unavuta like that. So I want to attach this other part so that I can show you also how well it cleans. So you attach it just like the other one. You hear that sound. So I want some breadcrumbs kwa kiti ndio muone venye ina clean. So that's me cleaning the breadcrumbs on the chair like that. Now venye zinavutwa, it's like sucking them. Inazivuta and you can see the tank ya uchafu, the way it's rotating. Ikimwaga uchafu and you can see also uchafu venye iko hapo ndani. So that's how iko. So there is no stress that your children have words, you do that on your chair or the carpet. You use vacuum. Everything is easier because you use it to vacuum. Okay, I've attached that other part. So this part can be used in very tight spaces, but also on the surface, unaweza itumia on the surface. So mostly I use it on the chair, the gaps between the chairs and the cushions, even on my car. To stitches, on the stitches zenye zinakuwa zimeingia ndani, or the gaps ziko ndani, or where the bigger vacuum can never fit, you can use these two parts. They work very well on these spaces, so that's where I mostly use them. And this part has some hairs at the bottom, so in a vacuum as it is scrub, so it can remove even the dust on your chairs, even the mattress, or anywhere you want to vacuum. Its purpose is to remove the dust and the dirt that is on the surface that you are washing or you are cleaning in the vacuum. And you can extend it, and so those were the areas that I was talking about. inatumia nikaa kufagia. As it vacuum, it sucks the dirt, inafagia pia. So I put breadcrumbs there also. So that's where the parts that I use that tip, because sometimes it's hard to use the other parts. Do we go tight spaces? These are the best for the tight spaces. Uko mwisho kabisa, you can see venye naiweka huko ndani na suck all the dirt that is inside. And the other part also, it's good for those parts. Utaona venye it cleans it well as I'm cleaning. So that's it. As I was saying, you can extend it ama whichever way you want to use it, but by clicking that button hapo ina detach, una extend venye unataka depending on the functionality that you want. So that's clean. And again guys, my chair was clean. I just poured some breadcrumbs so that I can show you how the vacuum works. You see the way it's sucking the dirt. Unaona hata sijaekelea kwa kitu, naekelea tu juu and it sucks it all. Naivuta. So to pour the dirt, unavuta that ka button, inafunguka side ya chini. Unamwaga uchafu yako yote, you can see uchafu, and then unafunika. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'd like to see your comments whether you like it or not, and please subscribe to this channel, and bye bye. Thank you for watching.